Alright guys, this is your next question from Cat24, the first lot. I would want you all to pause the video and try it once, and then you can resume for the solution. Okay, so suppose x1, x2, x3 up to x100, all these terms here are in arithmetic progression such that x5 is minus 4 and 2x6 plus 2x9 is x11 plus x13. Then find the value of x100. Okay. Now the concept we are going to use here is the nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term of the AP and d is the common difference. So using this logic, we can write x6, the sixth term of the AP is a plus 5d. Similarly, the ninth term x9 of the AP will be a plus 8d. The 11th term x11 would be a plus 10d. And the 13th term x13 will be a plus 12 into d. And these values of x6, x9, x11, x13 we will substitute in this particular equation. We will write twice of x6. x6 is a plus 5d plus twice of x9. x9 is a plus 8d is equal to x11, that is a plus 10d, plus x13, that will be a plus 12d. And now the left hand side will have 2 into a plus 2 into a, that is 4a, plus 2 5s are 10d and 2 8s are 16d. 10 plus 16 is 26d. This will be equal to a plus a, 2a, plus 10d plus 12d is 22d. Now taking all the terms on the left hand side, 4a minus 2a will be 2a, plus 26d minus 22d is 4d. 2a plus 4d is 0. And guys, we have also been given the fifth term of the AP is minus 4, and x5 will also be equal to a plus 4d, and this has been given as minus 4. Now when I subtract these two equations, 2a minus a will give me a, 4d minus 4d will become 0, is equal to 0 minus minus 4, that is 4. I'll get the value of a as 4. And now this value of a I can substitute in any of these two equations. Let's take the second one. You will get 4 plus 4d is equal to minus 4. Subtracting 4 from both sides, 4d is equal to minus 8. Dividing by 4 on both sides, I get d is equal to minus 2. And that's all we need to answer the question. The question now demands x100 or the 100 term of the AP. x100 would simply be equal to a plus 100 minus 1, 99 into d. So 4 plus 99 into minus 2 will be equal to 4 plus minus of 198. 4 plus minus 198 would be equal to minus 194, and this is the answer to my question, the B option, minus 194.